Hey, what's going on, guys? Mark here with another portfolio update. Today's Friday. Today has been another red day this week. This week has been just a overall volatile week of constant sell-offs and some little buying the dips, but we've just been basically selling off. Overall portfolios at 30,315, bouncing back and forth. Yesterday we bottomed out, I believe, at around 28K, but today we're down a little bit more. I would definitely say that right now would not be a bad time to be on the sidelines and wait for the market to decide whether or not it wants to go up or down, because right now we can't really decide what we want to do here. And you don't always have to be in the market. You're not missing out if you're not in the market. Sometimes you need to be on the sidelines and you need to wait for the right opportunity to take action. But if you're a long-term holder, then right now shouldn't even be bothering you. You should be just buying in and doing dollar cost averaging. You're in it for the long haul, and as history shows, the overall market is profitable in the long term, so you shouldn't even be worrying. I am definitely getting kind of anxious about potentially buying in a little bit more. Let's check out the SPY. I mean, the SPY is dropping lower and lower. That's seems like it's starting to get to a better and better buying opportunity. I'm very confident that just look at the 1 month chart. That's pretty nice. But I'm really confident that this market is not just going to continuously be moving down leading up to the election. That would be really unprecedented. That's just not something that happens usually leading up to the elections. I mean, if that were to happen, hey, I'm not saying that it couldn't happen, but if it were to happen, it would be very surprising, and I personally believe that it'd be very unlikely. Look at that 3 month chart. If we keep making legs down, that would be really impressive. I wouldn't like to see it necessarily, but if it was constantly moving down here in the next week or so, I'm gonna be buying some more SPY calls. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. But yeah, I mean, we're at 332 right now. And it's 1 p.m., so we got a couple more hours of trading left in the day. We could have some more buybacks. It's been really volatile. I mean, it really has been, so it's hard to say. But I would like to potentially get some positions. And if we break below 330, then we might be in a little bit of a free fall motion. So I'm going to wait to see what happens by the end of today. I'm not going to be buying any options today. I'll probably be buying options next week, depending on where the price is at, especially on Monday. I'm really curious to see what happens next week, because this week has definitely been a heavy sell-off week, and there's been some buybacks. I mean, yesterday there was some buybacks, but it's been a lot of seesaw action. So like I was saying in the beginning of the video, it's not a bad time to have cash on the sides and waiting to take action. If you like to options trade and you're a short-term holder. But if not, if you're a long-term holder, then right now, just chill, dollar cost average in, and keep making money over the long period of time. That's what I'm doing, but I also like to do some short-term things on the side just for fun. And this isn't financial advice. This is just my opinion on the markets and my 2 cents. It's just completely for entertainment purposes only. But I'm just telling you guys what I've been doing and what I want to do. But yeah, I mean, the overall market is selling off. I mean, let's look at my portfolio right now. I mean, I'm pretty heavy into the bigger tech stocks. I mean, we got Nvidia, Microsoft, Tesla. They're all dropping down. Yesterday was a great day for Tesla, though. I mean, yesterday we had a lot of legs up. I mean, it was one of the only green things inside my portfolio, and everything else was kind of selling off. It was pretty intense. But Tesla was a bull and just kept going up, and it was great. It was Tesla is such a volatile stock that you never know what's going to happen. I mean, we had the correction after the constant run-up from the announcement of the stock split, but there's just constantly so much good news coming out about Tesla that it's just constantly getting tossed up and constantly getting pushed up, and it's almost like it's just never going to come down. I mean, we had some sell-off, but I think it was only a total of, let's see, in the past month. In the past month, we're still up 31%. It's just insane. But I'm a long-term bull on Tesla. I love it. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's portfolio update. We'll see what happens here in the after hours leading into the weekend. I hope you guys all have a great weekend. I'll probably be coming out with some more videos this weekend regarding cryptocurrency and or other my speculative ideas of what I want to do for this upcoming week, depending on what happens on Monday. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Give me a big like if you enjoyed the content, and maybe a subscribe if you really like where this channel is going. And leave me some comments on what you want me to come out with. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.